Good evening, everyone. This is Blue Texas Tornado Scratcher coming back with you. I got a $20 session tonight. I got a 200 million cash explosion, a number 30 and 31. So let's see what we get. I hope everybody's having a good night. It's Friday night. I'm going to try this little thing that Viper sent me. I gotta put my eyes on you. I wear contacts and I still gotta wear glasses. 13, 32, 26, 2, 10, 28, and 36. This thing scratched pretty good. Okay, let me call it out. 13, 32, 26, 2, 10, 28, and 36. And Salem's over here, so don't be surprised if y'all see him running around here. Because he's a nosy cat. No. A reverse, see? 24, there he is. I'm telling you, this is gonna come up here. Nada. Look at him. How cute is that? You're so cute. This is 31. You know, I didn't even read this. Match your number with winning number. You get a money bag. You win that prize instant. Hit 20. You win 20 times. What are you doing, Salem? You watching me? You're a crazy cat. Crazy cat. 40, 11, 34, 38, 31, 15, 28. I don't have nothing small, so I can remember that. Oh, there's that 13. Watch it, baby. You done fell off. Nothing small, nothing small. 39. Oh. Nothing small. Nada. Well, that's okay. It's all for fun anyway. Well, they used to be my favorite tickets, but I think I'm going to change up on that now. Anyway, y'all guys have a good weekend. And I will see y'all tomorrow if the good Lord's willing. And y'all remember, hit like and subscribe. And good night and peace out.